guys, katatapos lang namin ng tipping na vocalized by Mr. Sunny Boy. Title of the song says, Dahil Ikaw Lamang Sinta. So dito namin ginagawa yung aming mga music of editing, home recording only. So hopefully baka palabas na natin itong maganda natin music. Proud maging Mindanaoans music from Davao City, Tunaybs, Mindanao White. Alright, ito po yung editing namin ngayon. Inoobserbahan namin yung pagdagdag ng may dagdag pa nating alright, it's me, your Mr. Sunny Boy Alex. Right, thank you.